Hearts are set. Or be ready. Alpine's best. Welcome in. Sunrise glow. Markets in sight. Fairways green.
Good morning, guys. Is this on? I think it's on. Huh. Anyone trade this? Oh my god.
From the charts to the cars, we touch the sky. Alpine ready.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Allergies are killing me again, but we'll live. All right, go for 35 ticks. Wow, it's pretty. I should go for 40 ticks today, but let's go for 37. Black Coffee Trader, good morning. WB, Joshua, R5 Studios, Jake, Kurt, Marco, good morning, guys. Have a good week. Obviously, this was a big move up here, so we'll see what's going to happen today. Might be into chop. Maybe we'll sell some of this off. Or maybe we continue higher. All right, that's the three options. So we'll try to adjust and play well. We got a minute till the market opens. Let's dial in. Make sure everything's working. Copy trader is working. Trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 fundeds today. Oof. Feeling good. Little allergies, but we're feeling good. Rested. Slept good. All right. So if I look tired, it's allergies. I'm not actually tired. My eyes are basically... All right, 30 seconds. Might be pretty tricky here. Short bias for sure, but gonna see how it reacts. We got 480 here. Good bounce. A little slow. It's a little slow. Yeah, it's very slow. But we got it. All right, that was good. Had to be patient with that. That's kind of what I've been doing lately. Just being patient. If it's slow, I might not take it at all. Or just be extra cautious. So another dub. 11 funded accounts. I just made $5,000 on my funded accounts in less than a minute. I'm going to be trying to push for some payouts this week. Obviously, a lot of the Apex accounts are getting close. to that level. Good morning, Miss K. Matty Matt. Oh, you had a position open during that tweet. I just looked at my portfolio and the first time in a long time, probably first time in like 2 months. I'm down a lot. I'm down like 8 grand this year. Unfortunate. All right, now we're trade 80-20. I kind of want to trade my take. Let me show you guys the trade I took on last night. I took a trade on Pro account, just like a quick scalp. And I want to cry. Where the hell was it? Does it not show you trades from the day before? Oh, it does. So this was a $300 trade right here. If I would have just held this just a little bit, could have made like 2, 3, 4, even 10, up to 10 grand. On this move, could have made 10 grand. But I'm not saying I would have made that. I'm just saying, like, I just took $300 and I just saw a rip. It's like, oh, if I just held, at least maybe I could have made half the buffer. Very slow open, guys. Very slow open. I was expecting some fireworks. I hate drawing these lines. Someone needs to make me an indicator. I'll pay you. I'll give you 200 bucks. I want to just drag from here to here and then make it like this. Just do this, but at 80 level and 20 level. That's all I want. There's got to be a faster way to do this. All right, for now, we should be good. I'm just trying to wait to see what the market does. Kind of crazy market right now, so let's see if it actually respects the levels. I would like to trade my pro account. Take profit trader. We need some daily payouts. That's what's been lacking this month. Otherwise, the month's not been bad. I don't know if you guys remember the issue I had with the copy trader last week on the 2 accounts. So I got the violation and the profits removed, like I said I would. So just so you guys know. I gotta trade my TRADEIFY account. I have an eval and it's gonna renew. Like that's what sucks about my trading with other props on TRADEIFY. Like I just don't ever like log in. Like I need to just send down this eval. I forgot how much I have to make. The consistency doesn't. I gotta make some profit on this. Should just add it to the ORB, to be honest. You guys see the accident at LaGuardia? What a freak accident. How does that even happen? How does a plane crash into a fire truck? That's what I want to know. Man, market is slow as hell. What the heck? Someone should have told Trump to just sleep in. Wait till 9 o'clock to tweet something. I mean, I guess it's moving. Guess it is moving. I'm just not really paying attention to the scale here every 10 points. So this is a 60-point candle. Tried along that bounce, but didn't get it. Oh, I got it. Nah, it's not gonna work. Of course, it's not gonna work. Of course, on TPT, I can't trade. I don't know what the fuck's going on. The TPT lately, it's been just so bad. Wow. That wasn't the best trade, though. So good. Just don't bounce now, please. Need to end. Easy entry. Red ORB. Sorry. Tough one today for sure. Slow. When it's slow like that, you got to be cautious. Right idea, just not good execution. Very right idea. I don't trade an ORB. It's not an ORB strategy. I don't know. I just used to call it that, and that's what I stuck with because I don't really give a crap what it's called. But it's not an ORB. There's no range break. So when you say 5 seconds, it doesn't. For me, it's an opening range, as in like this is average true range indicator, right? And right at 9:30 on the slower time frame, you could see a big jump. So that is why I call it a range, opening range, because the ATR jumps up. That's what I go by. Oh, so this dip buy would have been fine. It was this one that was not good. Got it, market. Thank you. Thank you, market, for doing me dirty. It's all right. We'll get it back. We'll get it back. We'll get some nice wins today. If volatility stays, we can make this account close to buffer. That's my goal today. I was thinking about calling it opening drive. But maybe I should just ask Ocala for a name because he comes up with cool names. We're going with momentum candle. Yeah. But the reason why I take that trade, and there's been like 3 versions of it because I had to adapt to different market conditions and different prop firm changers, right? I literally had my strategy banned under prop firm because I was winning. I literally went on the most insane winning streak. So it was from December 15th till February 29th. I did not lose. And then from March 1st, I lost on February 29th. It was a leap year. And then on March 1st, I started again. And I did not lose till April 30th. So between mid-December and end of April, I had 2 losses. I was going for much smaller targets though. And I didn't use a stop loss, so I worked out of a bad trade a couple of times. So if I didn't use a stop loss, for example, like this trade didn't work, right? But if I didn't use a stop loss here, it would have worked out. So that was the The market wasn't moving as much. Like right now, it would not. You would not survive with that. You would eat your end. Like the market was just much slower back then. Is TPT still not moving people to Pro Plus? I've heard some people get moved, but it was kind of weird. They didn't make any profit, so I don't know why they got moved. Damn, this 30. I mean, this 20 works so well. It's just the one time I took it didn't work. Oh, Sean, you were one of the people? You didn't make any profit, right? You were one of them? Hey, I wouldn't complain. And Sean, you'll be fine. One ORB loss, it's not gonna. Don't let it, don't let it affect you at all. It's part of the game. I took out 50K in payout TPT this morning, and they flagged me as bot trading and closed my account this morning. I saw that on Twitter. I don't know if that was you or not. I did see someone say that. What kind of trading were you doing? Just be honest. Like, don't, you don't have to use a bot, but were you like scalping or something? How can they think it's a bot? Damn, that 20 bounce is perfect. Why didn't I take it the one time I took it, lost, and then 3 times I could have taken it. The first time it bounced, the second time it bounced, and third time it bounced. Unbelievable. Bad luck. All right, let's do it. Let's get it. And try to short it here. Wow. Are you kidding me? That's not 50. Yeah. This account's going to be freaking. Same thing. First day blown. Freaking sucks. What the fuck? Okay, we're back in. I was going to say. What are the odds? I need a bigger win now, though. Because I used a tighter stop and it just ticked me. Like, fuck. Come on, we need a win here. Come on, market. We need a small win. Okay. All right, thank you for that. That was a fucking dirty move by you. What a dirty move. That's why I hate tight stops. I always talk about it, but when it works out, it's fine. But when it doesn't, market's on coke. Nah, it's not too bad. I like the 620. Had this big wick here, so what caused? I don't know. I think it was Trump tweet. Someone told me that it was a Trump tweet. I didn't actually see it or trade it. Damn, it is moving volatile. Volatile moves. It's slow, but it's volatile at the same time. So I played 3 rounds of golf this weekend. I played on one beautiful course. Oh my god, was it nice. I played there a lot. Gonna play there a lot. this summer. What'd you guys do this weekend? Anything fun? Anyone get any payouts last week? What's going on with payouts? I want to hear some success stories. I know there's some people that are killing it, but I took out a payout from Lucid and from Phidias. Did my payout from Phidias get? Yes. Okay. My payout from Phidias also got approved. Did not even know that. So I got to add up my payouts. So maybe we'll do that today. I got to add up my payouts for this month. I don't even know where I'm at the moment. Man, Phidias is so underrated, guys. For small accounts. I wouldn't say Phidias is good for people that are killing it. But for like 1 or 2 accounts, just getting that extra payout. I've had this account with Phidias since December 8th. I took out 3 payouts from it. Just trading it very slow, just $150 a day. That's all I need. So that's all I'm taking, that one trade. And I'm usually waiting till later in the day to trade it. And it's been very, very successful for me. I have now almost $10,000 in my Phidias wallet. I got to withdraw. They don't have a buffer rule. No, that's what makes them great. Phidias is one of the last prop firms with no buffer. So you see how my balance now is at 51,457. So I took out $2,000. But if you get this to 2,600, you could take out 2,000, and then you'll just have $500 in drawdown left or $600 in drawdown. But you could do it. Yeah, you can't take a lot of payouts with them for sure. They don't ban you though. They just put you live. $37K from Apex. Whew. $10K from Lucid. Unbelievable. That's almost a 50K month, man, Moses. That is absolute beast. Beast mode. Can you take the buffer from Lucid? I think so. I just took a payout from Lucid. Yep. I just took a payout from Lucid, and I was at, before this profit, I was at $51,300. So yeah, you could take a buffer from Lucid as well, which is why I got to trade with Lucid more. I don't know why I don't. I need to have 5 accounts of Lucid. I think I'm going to go straight to funded, to be honest. I don't know. Because their eval, like Apex evals are cheap, right? Bullnox evals are cheap. Phidias evals are cheap. And you pay activation. These prop firms that don't have an activation fee, I hate. Not hate, obviously, but I just hate it mentally to pass the evals. If you blow the eval, you basically blew the funded. Same thing. The cost is the same. You can't just say, oh, it's just an eval. Like, it's basically the cost of a funded, so... You did it on the ORB? Let's go. That's even better to hear. The Orbi has been great for me too. I just haven't traded a lot of accounts. I've traded 10 today, so if we continue that way. Yeah, I think that price movement with the tweet kind of just is gonna make the market just chop. I'm gonna try to short 620s and 680s. See what happens. But yeah, we've moved since 9:30. We've moved 178 points. So it's not like it's not moving. It's just kind of weird. Also, make sure your scaling on your chart is good because this candle makes the scaling look all weird. Fortunately. Yeah, luckily I get free evals on TPT, so for me it's still an eval. Freaking Tim. Tim, you got nothing better to do than watch my stream? Don't you have golf videos to watch? But yes, Tim, I'll use your code. Is Fiddy's expensive? How much is it now? I don't know. I know they raised prices. How much is it now? They might not have a sale. I don't know. Is TPT done with affiliates? No, they can't be. TPT has no social media presence. How are people gonna find TPT? You know how hard it is to convince people that TPT is the best prop firm out there? So if not the affiliates, people would just look at it like that. 5-day eval, this and that. Like, nah. They're done with small affiliates. Not even small, but like, well, some small, obviously, very small ones. And then there's a lot of affiliates that sign up with them. It's like, oh, it's like a bunch of, like, let's say 5 friends, right? It's 5 friends, and they probably just use their codes, each other's code. So they always get a discount and a rebate, and they just use each other's codes. So like the prop firm does not get anything from it. Like when someone uses my code, they're getting the exposure, right? So it's like a commercial. That's how it works. That's how affiliates work with anything. The thing is, like for me, I try to only promote the prop firms I actually use. You know how many prop firms reach out to us that offer us, money to promote them? Like YRM Prop just reached out to me, offered me $5,000 plus affiliates. I've not traded with them. I have no idea who they are. Like I'm not gonna take that. That's just one example of many. Funded Next and Funding Ticks tried to reach out to me for so many months. Day traders tried to reach out. Legends reached out. There's just a lot. But that's how affiliates work, is commercials, basically. Free commercial. Top Step has has a different perspective on it because they have the market cornered. They are the top prop firm when it comes to the marketing side of it. So any like new trader that I find on social media, like if someone like is on my personal Instagram and they start trading and they start trading prop firms, it's always Top Step. Like when you type in like any prop firm, Top Step comes up first because they just have like the SEO engine optimized really well. So people find them first. So they don't need as many affiliates, I would say. But that's not, Top Step talked so much shit about affiliates lately over the last, once they dropped everyone. Top Step has been around for 15 years. They were nothing without affiliates. Literally nothing. No one used them before the YouTube thing got big and before futures got big because of affiliates. So that, that's that. With videos, you can't get that many payouts going before you go live. Only a couple, probably. Depends how many accounts you have. Like I have one account, so I already took out 3, but I have a live account with them. I have 3 options. I just suck taking money out. But I built up my wallet to $9,476, right? I could send it to a live account right here. Bad choice of chalk. So I could send it to the live account, or I could withdraw the money and put it into my personal live account, or I could withdraw and go to the PGA Superstore and go buy Tim a new driver. Tim would love that. How's the Porsche? It's good. I was supposed to go to Cars and Coffee this Saturday, but had to go play golf instead. I don't know how many miles I have on it. Like 8,000 maybe. So I don't want to cross that 10K mark because if I decide to trade it in, I feel like that 10K mark not not good. I mean, I don't know if I want to trade it in. I don't know anymore. I do want the Targa. Tim is right above Tim Vesh. And I'm just teasing him. And there's no 9K drivers. There's a 10K driver, but it doesn't cost 10K. It's just called 10K. I'm just saying I could just use the money to buy stuff. That was the whole point of the joke. Wow, this market definitely is a little bit slow. Like, this is a perfect spec, just not the right color. I love this interior though. Yeah, it's got the lift and everything. I just don't want blue car. It looks nice, but I think it will get old. Good price. So if I trade my car in, I could get that, but that's the thing. I don't know if I want to. I have some options on my car that are so rare. Like, this is the closest to my spec. It's kind of weird, but like, see how this is like gloss black and these fins are painted? Like, that doesn't come like that. This is gloss black. That's how my car is. So this is a nice spec, but doesn't have front lift. So I don't want that. But this is how it normally comes. See, it's a different, like, plastic. I hate that. $213,000 car and it's got plastic. There's a wave of accounts closures from TPT for bot trading. Yes. Yeah, Gleb, I heard that. Yeah, it's a whole platform lockout. Kind of sucks. It's meant to, like, so you don't trade anymore, not just a specific account. Come on, a little bit more. Give me a little bit more. Yes. 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 620, baby. Tyler, what's going on, brother? How we doing? Your Twitter is exploding, my friend. When I send you a hat, it better be on your Twitter. In your next psychology video on Twitter. Just DM me on Twitter. We'll get it done. Just text me your cell phone or just DM me on Twitter. All right, so we're back to green on this account. Started negative 800 red. But we're back up 625. So let's see if we could get this. I like to get this like halfway of the buffer at least before I trade any other accounts. Well, that's your number, Tyler. It's 201 351 0920. Okay, got it. That is not his number, guys. Don't worry. I'm not that stupid. All right, let's see what the market can do. Can we retest 680s? This peak. 700s basically. And then rotate back down. Like being in this range is what I would like to see. Like this 460 to 700 range. If we break out, that's gonna be hard for me to find a trade. What accounts may be faster for Payout, TRADEIFY, or Lucid? I'm not sure exactly which one's faster. Well, TRADEIFY is daily payout, so I guess that would be faster. Technically. But it's kind of hard to get to those daily payouts. I would love TRADEIFY if they had Rhythmic. I mean, so bummed out. They teased me with it. And the Rhythmic that they have is for wealth charts. So it's technically... But I could have sworn I saw QUANTOWER icon when they announced it. They have TRADEIFY? Yes. They got TRADEIFY and wealth charts. I actually bought a wealth chart account. I haven't even looked at it. I'm going to get rebuild for it without even trading it. When I have everything in my QUANTOWER, it's just so easy to see like what I got to do, what I got to trade. But even my LUCID account, QUANTOWER, I just haven't been. I'm just going to add the LUCID accounts to my ORB. Like the evals. And just let them pass over time. But like I got to make some other profits on my LUCID. Because this was definitely under 5 seconds. They should probably even say that on the website already. LUCID updates. So if you if you pass a LUCID eval, you get it the same day. Do you guys know that? I know some of you guys do, but does everyone know that when you pass an eval with LUCID, you get it the same day? Like if I pass it now, I'll get the funded account in the next 30 minutes. Did y'all know that? Oh, we're good. No, wait, today's the 23rd. Never mind. Doesn't show yet. It shows the PNL, but doesn't show. Oh, that's nice, Dream Chaser. So it's Mind Fund the Futures, Top Step, and Lucid. Okay. That's pretty sweet. See, there's so many good prop firms out there. Like, just got to find a balance and trade with all of them. Trade the ones you like. Okay, I'm thinking about 680 short. We had some big wicks up here. I'm thinking about taking that. Try to get like 25 points, 15, 25 points. My fund of futures doesn't have micro scalping. Okay. That's pretty good. I got to look into my fund of futures. That's one prop firm I kind of just never liked because they change it all the time. But if you guys don't know the story, I denied a partnership with my fund of futures as an exclusive. And I got banned by the affiliate manager. I didn't know I got banned from trading my fund of futures till I tried to buy an account like a month or two later. And I got banned. I didn't know. The CEO of my fund of futures did not know I was banned. All right, 680 short. Let's see. Can we get some points here? We have 15-point stop. I'll take one off. I don't know. Something is holding it up. Took one off break even. Let's see. So we could get like 20 points on the second one if it does go lower. I got banned from them. I took 25K payout and they said I was flipping accounts. That's my fund of futures. Using bots, Cedric. I don't know. A lot of people are being accused of it, so I have no idea what that is. Hey, you took 25K from them. That's pretty good. Come on, baby. Gimme. All right, stop break even now. I had the 15 points there. Can we get 20 though? Probably not. Oh wait, we got it. Only half win, but still nice. There's got to be something to it. I don't know what's causing it, but there's something to it. And the thing is, no one's gonna be honest if they're using a bot or something, you know. So it's like, I don't know, kind of tough to Damn, what a dump. Maybe my funded futures didn't like something you said. You talking about me? No, it was a long time ago. It was um, when I started getting popular on YouTube. It wasn't my funded futures. It was the affiliate manager that banned me. He just restricted my accounts. Like I couldn't buy anymore. But as soon as he got fired or left, I got unbanned. But wow, what a short that would have been, guys. Could have been freaking chilling now. They declined you or they banned you because you declined the affiliate program? Yes. But it's not my funded futures, okay? It was their affiliate manager. The owner of my funded futures, Matt, did not know I was banned. He unbanned me as soon as he got notified. After that person left or got fired, whatever. I think he got fired. What a dump. My goodness. Could have freaking gotten this account to if I was red on the account, I would have held it, right? But since I was green on the account, I didn't hold it, so that's what sucks. That one trade could have just made that day. But I'm happy with 20 points. And then after that, my funded futures has been changing their programs left and right. I literally had a program that was, I passed it like 2 weeks or 3 weeks after, maybe more. I don't know how long it took me. And by the time I got to trade it, it wasn't on the website anymore. They already changed it. So I was like, I don't even know what the rules are for this. But it's all good. Damn, 620 bounce could have been a good trade too. I was complaining about missing a trade that I missed one. Which props do not have consistency rules? Take profit trader. That's the only one that comes to mind. TRADEIFY, I know, definitely has a program with no consistency. So TRADEIFY also, but you got to pick the right account. Trade day, good point. Good point. Oh, the 620 is holding really well. But the 680 rejection was amazing, man. It just took a little longer, so I took one off break even. I should probably trade my Apex accounts. Yep, 620. What a bounce. Damn it. Have you tried 16 ticks of profit? I've tried everything. You're back? Nice. How's your trading say? How is this market for you? Getting those scalps? Man, what a trade this was. And this could have been another entry right there. Why did I not take that? Ugh. We could have been looking pretty here, guys. I'm really trying to get this pro account to buffer this week to start April with some nice payouts. Unfortunately, I don't think I trust Take Profit Trader with the opening trade because of the lag. And last time I tried, I literally got screwed on Apex. And I blamed Take Profit Trader for it. Could have been getting nice payouts from Apex, but now we gotta. It's just gonna allow us to grow the accounts more. But You don't trade Mondays. Worst day of the week for my data. Yeah, I think you said that last week, right? I have so much stuff to do today because I played golf all weekend. Literally, I played golf all weekend. I gotta go to the bank. I gotta go to the post office now to ship a hat or hats. I gotta drop off some paperwork from my garage so we could start the process for the variance. Maybe I'll take the 580s, but that's kind of like middle of nowhere. Like the 520s would be a better option. Maybe I'll take the 580s on like an Apex account. My 50K accounts with Apex are just struggling because I can't trade the ORB on them. Pine Tree, good morning. How is your My Funded Futures stream? Why not? I would have to take like one contract. Maybe I could do 2 contracts, to be honest. Could I do 2 contracts? It would be like with slippage, it would be like a $800 loss, and I can only risk 750. So I think I would be okay because it's like it's right there, but I don't want to get any slippage. I would have to set my stop to like 75 ticks. If I was starting over, I don't know. TPT is the best for payouts, but I know it's hard. Apex has a cheaper eval, so it's easier. Phidias, no. I mean, Phidias is hard initially, like in the beginning. And it's pretty expensive. I think the best way to go about it is the cheap eval mode. Cheap eval with activation fee, I think, is more responsible as a new trader, because when you get an eval with no activation, you're paying for the full account right away. So you have to treat your eval as if it's part of the funded account. And it's hard to do that because let's say Yeah, the first 2 times you might be okay, but then let's say you fail an eval, like, you know, on day 7 or 8. The next time you're gonna try to rush it because now you lost the whole month. You know, you had 2 evals, you lost both of them on like day 7 and 8. That's almost a month of trading. So it's just a waste of time. Being in the eval stage is a waste of time. Let's not kid ourselves. It's a waste of time if you're getting payouts. If you're not getting payouts, then it's different because you have to learn how to get payouts. Like right now, my trading on, for example, my trading on this account right now, it's irrelevant. I'm not making any money on this account. I'm basically in an eval stage until I get to 4,500. But I'm trying to get there, right? Pretty quick. You only have Apex and TBT run? No. I'm just not logged into my bull unlocks either, but I have Apex, Phidias, Lucid, bull unlocks. Take profit trader. So Apex, Lucid, TPT, bull unlocks, Phidias. That's 5 prop firms. And then I have an eval on TRADEIFY with TRADEIFY. Yeah, it depends. It just depends on so many factors. Like I like Phidias, but you have to trade for 10 days, and all 10 days have to be over $150. I don't know if that's easier or not. But I also believe Motion Capital that it's easier to get a payout with a bigger account than it is with a smaller account. For some odd reason, I don't know why. Unless you don't have to stop out. Like on Apex, you have to stop out, so maybe. We'll try this 580, why not? I've been waiting for a trade for so long. Been so long. That I miss your face. All right, we got 15 points already. Let's fucking go, chat. Jeez. Louise. We could have been at buffer already. Have we taken this trade a little bit more profit from? I broke even on half. And then if I would have taken this 620 for, you know, we could have been at like $3,000. I find it dumb that Apex's intraday PA has daily drawdown limit. Yep, that's why I don't trade with those accounts. That's why we don't trade with those accounts. At the rate I'm going right now, guys, it does not look I'll be trading the new Apex accounts anytime soon. Just so you guys know. Wow. What a bounce. Holy shit. Don't have the patience to hold. Good morning, Bella. Or good evening. You're in China now, aren't you? Hong Kong. Yeah, his price action is ugly, but it's working for me. I'm not gonna complain. We're at $1,800 on my take profit trader account. Could have been basically close to buffer now. The goal is to get this account to buffer so that April starts with nice payouts. The way things are shaping up, April, if I'm patient, April could be a really, really big month. Because my Apex accounts are getting very close. Pretty much all of them are getting close to buffer. One big payout from Apex, and that's like a 30K month. But it's just taking me forever to build those accounts. Oh, man. Today is going by slow, but that's what I need. I need my time to slow down. That's my big issue right now in life. Time goes by too quick. We got to do a members giveaway today. I don't know if I have the courage to take his second time. Your tongue burns from pineapple. You might be allergic. Yeah, I started the take profit trader down $800, by the way. So pretty solid bounce back. $2,600 in profit. Did we take this 580 one more time? Little fork action? Nah, I think 520 is the better play here. I might regret it, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how it does. Jump in a little late, if anything. One contract. Oh, allergies. I hate allergies. I get them so early in the spring. Oh, big bounce. Come on. Let's retest this 580 level, please. If it doesn't break through, I might take it long for a quick 15 points. Again, my goal is to just make this account to buffer for April. So we got plenty of time, but would like to get it to buffer by end of the month. Good start to it today. I didn't check Twitter today. Let's see. Wow, Twitter looks quiet today. Everyone's just reposting a tweet from damn Tyler, you got
You have to learn to walk away, man. You can't learn to walk away. You are going to struggle for so long, and you're wasting your time. You're wasting your time. You're wasting your energy. You're wasting your money on these
damn 59,000 views on Twitter, Tyler. The hell? Oh yeah, I'm gonna send Tyler a hat. Everyone's gonna be like, "What hat are you wearing?" 59,000 views. That's unbelievable. Tyler, he's on Twitter. He's in the chat too. Tyler G. It's amazing. I've been learning to walk away. He talked about walking away. I've been getting better at that. Like some days you just know you're frustrated. The biggest thing in trading is the frustration. You can't control that. That's not something that is gonna go away. And I always compare it to sports. You know, people are saying you're too attached to the money. I'm like, it has nothing to do with the money. It's the performance aspect. In sports, the athletes get paid whether they perform or not. Some sports, obviously, you get paid more if you win and not. But like regular team sports, you know, you get a contract, you're getting paid whether you perform or not. You get paid. So when you get mad because you're playing like shit, do you think you're gonna tell them the same thing? You're just attached to the money? No. It's normal to get pissed off. But in trading, everyone's like, "Oh, you're just gambling." That's what everyone seems to say. That's like the most common phrase that you see on social media. Everyone that's making money is gambling. Everyone that's losing money is gambling. But the ICT traders with million indicators, they're not gambling. All right, market. Can we do something, please? Can we move lower? We got 193 people watching. Maybe we could do some giveaway today. Members plus, because I missed the stream on Friday. Usually we do a giveaway on Friday. Playing golf for my brother's birthday. So maybe we could do a giveaway. ICT traders cut us trade for no reason. There is a reason. There's a big reason. I think that ICT traders should just trade. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. There's just too much to talk about. If you're trading ICT profitably, you're just a good trader, and you're not trading ICT, you're trading your own version of it. That's all there is to it. That's all I'm going to say. If the guy that invented it is not making money and you're making money, that means you're not trading it. You're trading something, your own variation of it, and you're just using the terms from whatever they came up with. But yeah, hit that like button. If we get to like 200 likes today, we could do a giveaway. Usually don't do a giveaway on Mondays. We just do member giveaway. But if we get to 200 likes, we could do a giveaway. I don't have much to give away, but man, yeah, That sneeze caused the market to go up. Unbelievable. That's called a squeeze. Sneeze squeeze. Okay, kind of stopped at 680. That's a risky short right there, but I'm gonna try it. It's been working well today, so I'm gonna just leave it break even and let it go down if it wants to. Like 650s, maybe. No, whatever. Whatever. Another win, though. Another win. I mean, it got 25 points. Target's 15. Halfway to buffer. Should we keep trading that or should we trade something else? Damn, 680 is definitely acting as resistance. Big time. Getting protected. Yep, could have made some nice profit. Those yellow levels are just every 80 and every 20. So the last two numbers of the chart. So 80, 20, 20, 80. And I just go based on those levels. There's usually got to be some kind of structure around it. So like this wick is why I'm confident with this 680 here. And then this 680, I'm confident because of this 680. So obviously didn't play that as good as I could have, but I think that was a solid trade. Got 10 points and 17 points. So about 15 points total. So we're pushing for another $20,000 a month. Hopefully we could get there. I got to add up how much I'm on the month. I don't even know. We could just do a quick summary of the month. The hardest one is the take profit trader accounts. Those are the hardest ones to calculate. So I'm just gonna calculate the main ones from Apex. Payouts, payout history. Apex, we had yeah, 50, 2750, 1350. This it was 6. Hold on, guys. I'm just calculating my payouts here. Right now, minus the TPT, I don't know how much I took out on TPT. I know I took out a couple grand. It's 11,650. That's the total payouts on the month. So Fiddy is 1,800, Lucid 1,800. 4 Apex payouts, and I'm gonna get more this week. So hopefully we could get to 20,000. Okay, we're now breaking through 680. Rejecting actually. Ooh. The 680 could still be a good short. Yep. Just hesitant a little bit. Yeah, there it goes. But I think April the payouts will start rolling in because the accounts are growing. It's been a long like growth, slow growth of the accounts, 150Ks, but take profit trader really makes the difference though. That's why April I want to have take profit trader rolling in. Like I'll be able to request some payouts from Apex today, but I'm not gonna request like small payouts. I want to get like $2,000 each. So hopefully by end of this week. Like it's still hard to kind of see what the Apex like how many days you've completed and stuff. It's still hard to kind of remember. So let's see. This account 592. Let's see. Yeah, minimum balance not met. So today I met the balance, so I could take a payout from this account. How about this account? 594. Should be able to take same thing. Oh no, this one does not have. I guess I just took a payout from this account. Probably. No. Oh, this is the one that I broke the rules on. So it reset everything. Okay. Wow, 580 worked again, or 680. My highest month payout was 82,000. I was really hoping to get to 6 figures one month, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think that's in my like playbook. I think 50K a month is where I'm like my happy like level. When I get to a 50K a month, that's like solid money. That's like crazy money. But it all averages out to the same every year, 300K a month. I mean, 300K a year. We got some catching up to do this year, but we're about the same start as last year. I made like 44,000 in 3 months last year. And we're going to be about the same this year. I'm already pretty much there, but if I could get to 20,000 this month, then I'll be ahead of last year. What a rejection of 680, guys. Crazy. Could have made so much profit of that. Multiple times. Took it once. Got scared to take it the second time, but when it broke through and then it failed, that's when I should have jumped in. For a second trade, would have gotten this account to 3,000 and probably moved on to another account. Like last year, my best month was June, 56,000. I just need like 3 good months out of the year, and then everything else is just extra. If I could make like 150,000 in 3 months, that's all I care. Then I could mentally be okay with that. My top trade setup is my opening range breakout. That is my own trade. It's not an opening range trade. It just happens at 9:30. You could rewatch the beginning of the stream to see that. That is my bread and butter. So I trade for about a minute a day. That's my bread and butter trade, and then everything else is extra. Because that trade doesn't always work. There's times in the market where it just doesn't work for a week or two, and then it pisses me off. So I want to have other strategies that I could rely on. Like today's a perfect day. Everything's working. I'm just not copying accounts. So would love to have a day like today where I copy all my accounts. How nice would that be? That would be a beautiful day. But if you're new, please like, subscribe. And if we get to 200 likes today, we'll do a giveaway for everyone. Typically, Mondays are locked in for members only. And 620 not holding. I want to take that if it holds. No, it doesn't have that spring effect. Okay. Big rejection of 680. Wow. We really could have made the buffer today. We just got a little bit more patience. But that's in hindsight. Everything looks good in hindsight. Like if I would have held this one longer, so I shorted at 620. If I would have held that, then I'm getting squeezed, and I would have been like, oh, if I just took the profit. It's always easy to say in hindsight. All right, but this 620 actually worked. So I'm going to try to squeeze something out of it. If it tests it again. I'll wait. See if it gets there. Legacy accounts take a few days to get approved. The new accounts are pretty much instant. You requested Thursday night and just got approved. Nice. Okay. Yeah, it takes a few days. It's not always like the same amount of time. Yeah, but big man, it's not a rocket science. It's not like exact. It's like, oh, okay. Took 3 days for him. It's gonna take 3 days for me. It took 4 days for him. It's gonna take 4 days. It's for me. It's been I've requested payouts and it's been always different. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I should take the 620. I'm kind of nervous now, but that 580 is looking really, really good. Now we're gonna find out. Maybe. Yep. Gonna be instant loss, I think. Yeah, I didn't feel like trusting it too much, but just went for it. It's been a good day, so one loss not gonna kill us. Then we'll try 580 again. Unfortunate. Should have waited to see how it reacts. Would have never taken that. There was zero support there. First test is the best test. Second test, sometimes it's not as good. Six payouts with the new accounts, yes. The legacy accounts stayed the same. All right, let's see how 580s do for us here. If we get there. Let's see if we have this range. Getting a little hungry here. I'm gonna make some lunch. Chop, chop, chop. How often do I go live? Every day. Every day around 9:25 a.m., sometimes a little later. And then I stream. I don't have an ending time. I will stream till 11, 12, 1, 2. Sometimes I've streamed all day. Just depends what I got going on. I'd say I got a lot of errands to do, so we're probably going to end the stream at like 1 o'clock. We do giveaways as well. Mondays are typically just for members, so the people that are green that support the channel. Give them a little bit extra. We call it the Member Mondays. My allergies are killing me. I need to take some Zyrtec, I guess. It's raining out, so it should be all right, but I guess it's from yesterday. Golf all day. 3 rounds of golf this week. I feel like I'm a professional golfer at this point. Had a really, really solid round yesterday. One of my best rounds I've ever had. It's definitely getting better at golf. It's one of those things that you're always going to be a little bit frustrated because you could have done better. Am I Goldman Sachs trained institutional trader? What? Is that a thing? I'm not sure that's a troll question or if that's a real thing. Yeah, Goldman Sachs traders probably make money on like a salary. All right, let's see if this 580 could retest. I don't know why my opening range is so messed up. Oh, because of the time change. It always does that. I gotta redo it. Oh, just got missed. Just got missed on that. All right, we're in now. See, can we get 15 points on the first exit? That's kind of what I lost on this trade. Nah, it's having a hard time. Fucking A. Damn it, guys. All right, it's going to be time for lunch. That's 2 big losses in a row. But that 520 is going to be juicy. Going to have to wait. Damn it. Had it there, but just not enough. Two losses in a row. Not good. Not good. Wow. She is melting now. Come on. Let's get filled on this candle. This could be a big spring. Big spring effect. We need like 40 points to recover the loss, 30 points to recover losses, and 10 points to make profit. So 40 points total in the next trade. Okay, new candle. Have a big trend up here. If I take a loss on this, I will go make lunch really quick. Well, win or lose, I'm gonna go take lunch, but and we'll do the giveaway for members while I'm gone for lunch. It should take me 10 minutes. Just gotta reheat it. Oh man. Oh man. So dirty. Yes, each account gets 6 payouts. That was the 40 points right there. But yeah, every account has 6 payouts. So you can still take out a lot. A lot of people are concerned, but then I asked, a question. It's like, how many times did you get to 6 payouts in the previous Apex accounts? I only got a few. I had 6, 5, 5, 10, 9, 8, 9. I had some, but I've hit 6 before, but all right, let's see what we get. We get crushed here, or is it gonna bounce? It bounced already once, so that's the thing. The first test is usually the best test, but see what it does here. See, it doesn't have that spring effect. He's not instantly. Versus the first test, just freaking huge bounce. Well, nice to get at least a win on this, any kind. So hopefully we could lock in a little bit of profit. So we had the regular 15-point win. I don't know. I just have no patience. Come on, baby. Let's get the second one to target. No. No. Well, that was lame. Had a nice profit, though. How much did we have total? Yeah, 25 points. If I wasn't down in a day, that's a winning trade. That's the problem. Sometimes when I'm not down in a day, just not at the highest point of the account. So then I'm just over trading a little bit. All right, guys, lunchtime. I am going to start a giveaway for members only while I'm gone. I need to eat. I'm starving. And then we'll try a couple more trades after that. And then I'm going to call it a day. Pretty good day so far. Just getting a little volatile now. Bum, 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 bum. Wow, what a dump.
Yeah. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. Or be placed, candle start to fly.
Oh, man, I don't want to leave. All right, I'm going to go start heating up the lunch. I'll be right back.
Whole squad on the line. Wake up chart, low money on the screen. Scalping them clicks, keep the setup clean.
It's 420, man.
Wrist tight, I'm in. Turn a loss to a win, living out the dream. Take profit, Alpines on the rise. Or be placed, candle start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, Porsche drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line. From the charts to the stage, I was built for the game. No 9 to 5, tick by tick is the name. Profit run deep, watch the numbers climb. Whole chat cheering when we catch that line. Take profit,
Right back.
Alpines on the rise. Or be placed, candle start to fly. TRADEIFY flow, Porsche drifting now. YouTube chat lit, whole squad on the line.
And another loss. Another loss here. Damn it. What a tank. Oh. This is for members only, guys. Oh, that was good lunch. Members only giveaway, not for everyone. Mondays we do members only. So what did I miss? All right, so we dumped here. Yeah, it's a big tank. Oh, 380s worked. Yeah, is it gonna retrace the move? Or do we short the bounce? I mean, I took 3 losses. So I have no confidence right now. Yeah, the LaGuardia plane crash was very sad. The pilots died. How does a plane hit a fire truck and get destroyed like that? Shouldn't the fire truck be destroyed? It was a smaller plane. If it was a bigger plane, that freaking fire truck would have been destroyed. How's that even happen? Would not want to be on that plane when that happened. A little bit of a bounce here. Not much. Yeah, but why is there a fire truck going on the... What else happened? Why was there a fire truck going? Oh, wait, there's a radio thing here.
Ground Unit 2384 is declaring an emergency. The flight attendants in the back are feeling ill. Because of the odor, we will need to go into any available gate at this time.
Okay, roger that. Hey, this is Ed again. Do you guys have any gate for United? Because now he's declaring an emergency. They want to get out.
Oh, so there's emergency with another plane.
Yeah.
Let me ask him. I'll call you right back.
Okay, roger that. Hey, it's Ed again, LaGuardia Tower. Now that United says he needs a gate, but so now he's declaring an emergency. But the ramp doesn't have a gate for him. Yeah, they're now...
We can get a stair truck if you need them to get off the plane.
Okay, yeah, do that just in case they want to come off. But so now he's on taxiway Alpha, just east of taxiway Kilo. All right, thanks, man. All right, bye-bye.
Yep, thanks.
2384, the ramp doesn't have a gate for you yet, but I'm trying to get in touch with the Port Authority to see if they have something.
Copy.
And the fire trucks are over there. They're going to bring a stair truck just in case you guys do want to evacuate. Let me know if you do.
Copy. Yeah, we'd prefer to wait on a gate, but I mean, again, we only got so much time here because there's still a bit of an odor in the back of the airplane.
Jet 646, you up? Delta 520, you're going to lane 8. Just hold short of Lima on runway 13 and just verify with the ramp that you'll be able to get in.
Okay, hold short of Lima on runway 13, and we'll talk to ramp, get back to you, Delta 520.
Thank you. I'm just verifying there's some shuffling of gates going on here due to an inbound that has an issue.
Roger.
Jet 646, LaGuardia.
No, it's you for GILS 4 for Jet 646.
646, number 2, clear to lane 4.
Close to land number 2 for Jet 646.
Okay, so the JZA. Okay. JZA.
And 2384, do you have a gate available at this time? Otherwise, we will be probably requesting air stairs.
Give me 1 second.
2384.
Stand by, United. Who's the vehicle needed to cross the runway? Emergency vehicles calling on ground, or are you calling on tower?
Truck 1 and Company, LaGuardia Tower.
Truck 1 and company.
Truck 1 and Company, LaGuardia Tower, requesting to cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and company, cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and Company, crossing 4 at Delta.
Frontier 4195, just stop there, please. Stop, truck 1, stop.
Oh, man.
And 2384 is cleared in lane 8 for 41.
2384, proceed to ramp.
Proceed in.
Sorry, truck 1. Stop, truck 1. Stop. Stop, truck 1. Stop.
Oh, man.
4195, we're staying here.
Delta 2603, go around, runway heading 2000. Jet 646. Jet 646, I see you collide with vehicle here, just hold position. I know you can't move. The vehicles are responding to you now.
So the air traffic control.
Delta 2603, go around, runway heading 2000.
Heading 2000, go around, Delta 2603.
LaGuardia Tower.
Truck 32, runway 4 is closed, correct?
Yes, go on to runway 4 now. Proceed on runway 4, you have access.
Tower, car 90, runway 422 is closed at this time.
90, roger.
LaGuardia Tower, vehicle 98.
98. 98.
Damn, that's
Vehicle 98.
Vehicle 98, please show at this time. Runway 422 is closed. I repeat, runway 422 is closed at this time.
And there was an accident at LaGuardia. I don't know what happened exactly, but they just lost 422, so everyone's going to be holding over Proud or vectors in the air with me.
Tower, car 90, LaGuardia Airport is closed at this time.
Delta 2603, runway 3000, go to approach 20.8 now.
3000, over.
yeah. Imagine me.
2603, 20.8, they're looking for you.
As soon as I get word of the runways are clear and back open.
That's crazy. That is really sad, man. That's 2 pilots gone. Probably a lot of injuries over a stupid mistake. But that's the problem with air traffic. They're overwhelmed sometimes. Or maybe like the fire truck, when they said like fire truck can cross, maybe they didn't just go right away. Maybe they waited like 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Man, this year has not been, this and last year with the plane crashes has not been good. Imagine the pilot seeing that fire truck. So we're going to get a bounce here to like 520. And then I don't know if I should short the 520s or not. No, the air control told the driver to go. Once they realized they messed up, they told him to stop, but it's probably too late at that point. They're probably on the runway already. The fire truck is not going to cross a runway without permission. I mean, that's kind of obvious, right? So they asked for permission and they got it. They started going, and then I guess the timing seemed off. This sucks, man. It's a terrible situation. I would not want to be that air traffic controller, to be honest. Feel bad for him.
Place. I think he's
Unfortunate there. Should have just longed that 380 instead of 420. Would have been in great shape. What a dump here, though. That's crazy. 300-point dump. That I didn't blow up my account. Could have definitely blown up. See if it holds. How many accounts do I have? 17, 18, 19, 21. 21 accounts? 22 accounts? Something like that. 17 with Apex. Bum, 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 bum. Tell me no, you're not too late. We have not done the giveaway yet for members. We'll probably do it at like 12:25, 12:30. Just watching this market, seeing if it will react to 380 one more time, or if it's gonna maybe drop to 320, sweep the lows. I took 3 losses here in a row, so I'm kind of just cautious. I actually got a small one here, I guess, right? But still. Loss, loss, and loss. Damn, I should have placed the order at 380 instead of 420. Bummer. I wouldn't care. It's just I lost so much trailing drawdown. Because that's what sucks about trailing drawdown. End of day will be chilling right now. It's still heavy. Yep, very heavy. We're gonna do the giveaway for members at 12:25. We got 12 members so far. If you are a member and you want to enter, go ahead. You can still enter. Elmi, you might have to still enter. I don't know if it might have been closed. Yeah, Elmi, you have to enter. Sorry. Come on, bounce. All right, we got 16 members now. It's better. If we could get like 20, that would be nice. Trader and development, how are we doing? The person that won the giveaway on Thursday. Maybe it was Friday. Did we do a giveaway on Friday? We might have. The person passed their eval. I know. He sent me an email. The day has been great, except for the last... this drop got me. So for the last 30 minutes hasn't been good. I don't trust this 380. Who knows? Maybe we're gonna go right back down and close this gap. Well, actually, no. Gap was closed. But yeah, maybe we'll try to sell this off. Wouldn't be surprised. But the confidence is low right now with the levels, so I'm not gonna press any buttons at the moment. Monday members only, yes. Member Mondays. Okay, looks like 80 bounced. 15 points. I don't know, it still seems heavy. All right, 1 more minute for members. Any members left in the chat? We got 18 members right now. I'll add you guys into the race. Wow, yeah, this market's nuts. Yeah, who knows? Right now, I can't find a trade that I feel confident with. Maybe the 320 because we're gonna sweep the lows. Maybe that'll be my final try, but gonna have to see how it reacts, I guess. We did do a little bit of a double bottom. Let's see if we could sweep that. I don't know. There's so much room to the downside after this low. Let's see. Come on, break. It's holding this low. Does not want to give it up. Maybe now? Can she do it? All right, we broke the lows. Not the lows, but this wick low. All right, let's see. 320. If it comes back in and gets me in, this will be my last trade. Don't really have high confidence in this, but we are in. Can we get 50 points? Wow. So weak. Got 15. Gonna give back my entire day of profit on TPT. If this doesn't work out. The 80-20 works well in range. It does not work well in trending market for me. So if this becomes a trending market, that's kind of... Like, I longed here instead of here. Like, if I would have longed here, we would have had it. So hopefully this will give it to me. There we go. There we go. Much better. So the target would be right there. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Come on, babe. Come on. You could do it. Take one off. Oh. No. Obviously, I'm going to stop out break even. I'm not gonna mess with that. This point, should just let it go. If it just maybe it'll just go to like here. Let's go for 100 points. Why not? We got nothing to lose. Free trade. When you retest and push, hopefully not, because then I'll be stopped out. Hopefully, it just pushes right through here. Gotta get through 80 though. That's gonna be tough. Pretty much at the max. So basically made up the losses. If I take the profit now, we made up the losses, but going for a little bit more. Okay, we got 50 points. Can we get 100 points? Can we get 100 points? Can we do it? Can we do it? Oh, so close. So close. That was like 10 points away. We had 90 points, guys. We had 91 points. No, we had more than that. 92 points. No. No. I feel like I should lock in 50 points, no? Yeah, I'm going to lock in 50 points. It'd be stupid to give that back. There's definitely a lot more room to go to the upside for sure. Oh, come on. Let's end the day on the positive 100-pointer. Get this account close to buffer. Come on. You could do NQ. That's only 20 more points. That's nothing. We just dropped 500 points. Maybe not 500, but like 300. 400. We could bounce another 20. Come on. I can't wait to sell it at 410 and it's going to be at 510 in like 10 minutes. And I'm going to be like, wait, if I just held. But I haven't had a 100-point trade in a long time. Come on. Come on, NQ. Now or never. Now or never. Bomber. We only got 80 points. 80 points. 65. 65 points. Bastards. Now they're going to run it up. It's all good. All good. So almost a little bit past halfway to buffer. Made back all the losses. And then some. So that was worth it. One day we'll catch like 200-point bounce. But yeah, let's do a giveaway for members. All right, so these are the members that are in the chat. So we thank members for supporting the channel by doing a giveaway on Mondays for members only. So member Mondays. We do giveaways 2-3 times a week for everyone, but on Mondays I dedicate the giveaway just for members. And yeah, give back to the community. Thank you for all the support. And let's get a race going. Oh, Garani, you're not in here? Any other members? Last call. Melvin, you're not a member. Ruben, not a member. You have to be a member, guys. Alrighty, let's do it. 19 cars. 2 minutes on the clock. Tun, 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 tun. Scott, you're in, right? Nope, you're not. All right. All right, now we got 20 cars. Perfect. Good luck.
Welcome to Member Mondays. My name is Golfy, and we run the giveaways here at the Alpine Traders channel. Today we're giving away a Apex evaluation to one of the dear Alpine community members. We have 20 cars. Big field. Big field today. We will see who's got the juice at the very end. Everyone stays nice and compact for the first half of the race. And then we spread out a little bit, and the last 20 seconds is when we find out who is dialed in. We got Black Coffee Trader in the lead right now with his Ferrari. We got Dustin in a Ferrari as well. Do we have any Porsche 911s? Yeah, I don't see one. There's got to be at least one. We got 20 cars. Oh, wait. There's a gray Porsche 911. Trader in development. It looks like he is in a Turbo S. And we got Gary in a Turbo S as well. All right. 40 seconds to go. Let's see who will take it. Who will take it? Who you guys got? Miss Gay in an Aston Martin. Garani in a Bugatti. 20 seconds in 2, 1. They hit that boost. And they go. Just like in Formula 1. The hybrid system. All right, we got Jackson in the lead in his oh, that's a McLaren. That's not an Acura. That's a McLaren. Oh my God. His wheel fell off. No way. Gary, can Gary do it? No, he cannot. Because Nomadic Trades, with his American Power 4GT, comes through at the very end. Oh, Black Coffee Trader in third place. Trader in development second. And the last place is Dustin. That's right, Dustin. Alright, so Nomadic Trades wins a Apex eval. Congrats. See you guys later this week. Bye-bye.
Alright, thanks, Golfy. That was good. Nomadic with the victory. He saved his account. He took stop losses early on, and then boom, one trade. So is TPT banning people now? Apparently, yes. Apparently people are using bots or something. Don't know what that means. But apparently people are using bots. Wow, now we get that bounce. Bastards. Now we would have had... Now we would have had our 100 points. So close. I'm happy with that. I mean, we made the loss back, so can't complain. Can't complain about that. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Never easy. It's never easy. I know. I'm happy with today. I'm very happy with today. I wish I traded more of my Apex accounts, but we will switch over to Bull Locks actually, because we got to try to get a trade on Bull Locks in order to get a payout in 2 weeks. Hold on, guys. I just got a text from my mom. She's coming by and she wants me to start laundry. So let me put my laundry in my washer. Have I used Blue Sky? No, I have not. Give me like 2 minutes, guys. Mom's coming out of... No, she's coming to clean. She's coming to clean. She does like deep cleaning every week or every 2 weeks. Like I could clean and it's gonna look clean, and then she cleans. I'm like, wait, I guess it wasn't clean. Yeah, there's levels to that, you know. There's levels to how clean it could be. But yeah, I got so much stuff to do today. I gotta get going soon. I'm gonna try to take one more trade on Bull Knox here. Maybe on Phidias, but I don't know. I think Bull Knox is the last trade. Because of Bull Knox to get a payout in 2 weeks. Assuming that Good Friday is a full day. Is Good Friday a full day of trading? It actually might not be. Yeah, so I wouldn't even be able to get a payout in 2 weeks. Yeah, so if it closes early, that means it's not gonna be a full day trading. Should have thought about that Friday. Probably find a video. There's a video of the plane crash, but this market's gonna be tough now for me. Top one futures I have not. Really haven't traded with a lot of new prop firms. I should, but it's good to have them. Like, if one day I get banned from Lucid or TRADEIFY, it's good to have the other options, you know? 'Cause that's the goal, is to get banned on Lucid and TRADEIFY. I'll let you know how it goes with Blue Sky. I think Blue Sky is pretty legit. They just have one account type of thing, so it's kind of different. But I've never heard anything bad about Blue Sky. It's just not like very popular. But they've been around for a very long time. Yeah, I can't trade with too many props. Even like TRADEIFY, I can't trade with. I'm barely ever focused on them. For me, it's the platform issue. That's my biggest concern. But even like I've had this LUCID eval. I don't know how long. I've not even touched it. Like it's gonna rebuild, and I'm barely gonna touch it. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. 1 o'clock. I gotta go to bunch of different places to sign documents, get certified checks, drop off the documents to the architect's assistant, like half-hour away, I think. I don't even know how far that is. Let me see more. Actually, not bad. But yeah, about half an hour, pretty much. Yeah, so just a busy afternoon for me. I want to do it before rush hour, so. Lucid doesn't have a rebuild? Oh, okay, great. That's good to know. See, I didn't even know that. Yeah, Tyler, what's with your Twitter, bro? Like 60 something thousand views on the video? How you do that, bro? Teach us. I just realized New Apex Trail keeps trailing and doesn't stop. What? Oh, an eval. Yeah, yeah. Got me scared there for a second. In an eval, yeah, it never stopped. All right, guys, hit that like, hit the subscribe button. I'll be back tomorrow for another, hopefully, green day and awesome day today. Just got caught in a few trades, but overall, I think it was a good, successful day. That's all we could think, that's all we could hope for, is when we take some losses, it gives us an opportunity to make them back. So there's all to it. ORB, 10 accounts today on ORB made $5,430 in less than 1 minute. And then we made $2,800 for the rest of the day. But it was down 800, then up 2,200 or something, then down to 700. And then the last trade was just a banger. Bought the lows here, and then I sold it for like 65 points. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And congrats to Nomadic. I'll send you that account in a few minutes. Adios, amigos. Till tomorrow.